So the summer in the UK is over. Boo! Not that we have much summer anyway, but now the winter is here, your car tends to look a lot like this one. Covered in salt, normal road dirt from wet, damp roads, and it can be a little bit difficult to clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you and give you some really easy tips to make cleaning a car like this a hell of a lot easier. So the first thing to tackle is the wheels. And when it's freezing cold and you want to get the job done quickly, you need something which is powerful. And that's where you need the beast. Time is of the essence. I want to get these wheels clean so I can get back in the warm with a nice cup of tea. So we're going to give this a spray on. We're going to let the thick recipe do its job with its long cling time for 5 or so minutes. We're going to agitate and then rinse off to reveal lovely clean wheels. So the beast has done its job, wheels are spanking. Now we come to the pre-wash. We've got a load of salt, normal road grime, everything like that. A normal pH neutral shampoo is going to struggle with this. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the big boy, which is multi-star. This is our all-purpose cleaner and we can use this as a pre-wash. You can dilute it 1 to 10 into a spray bottle. You can spray all around the car, the wheel arches, everything like that in a spray bottle. Or if you want to save time, because you're a little bit chilly, then you can dilute this into a snow foam lance because it's incredibly high foaming and foam the whole car. That's exactly what I'm going to do. There we go, look at that. Multi-Star has pulled all of the loose dirt off. It's just a very, very thin film of static dirt remaining, which we're going to get with a contact wash now. And for that, I'm going to use a Sonax Extreme Rich Foam Shampoo. You can actually use this as a snow foam, but I'm going to be using it in a bucket because I've already foamed. And the good thing about this is it smells like summer with its berry fragrance. So it brings back those lovely warm memories when you're outside in the cold. So the car is all washed now, but there is no protection on this car. The water is just stuck to it, and that's the reason why it got so dirty so quickly. So we're going to solve that. I could use Brilliant Shine Detailer while I'm drying to add a bit of protection and gloss, but today I want something even quicker. So we're going to use Sonax Extreme Spray and Seal. Very fast. Wet the panel, which is already done for me washing. 1 or 2 squirts onto the panel. Okay, 3 for bigger ones. And then we just rinse this off. And look at that. Gloss and protection just by spraying and rinsing. I can now just quickly go around, dry this off, and the car is done. And there we go, nice and dry. A simple way to remove all of that winter dirt very quickly. And also it's protected now, so the next time my cold winter clean is due, it won't be so difficult. It'll be a lot easier and even faster. Right, where's that bloody hot chocolate?